Hey everyone, here are some new projects and collaboration opportunities in the Gandi IDE community in this week. Let's take a look. All the links can be found in the description. Let's get started. First, we have a new project brought by Outrun Fungus. This is an ecological simulation game. There will be many different types of creatures. You can record them with a camera and interact with them. The game also considers adding adaptive music, among other interesting features. This is a chatbot that uses the Gandi IDE AI Hub. You can communicate with virtual characters in the game in your own way. There is already playable version of the game available. This is a top-down pixel-style work with One Piece as the theme. The author has already released 6 devlogs on YouTube. You can check out his channel. There are many creators in the community who are recruiting collaborators. Here are 3 of them. 2 of them are projects we have seen before. They are all recruiting creators who are good at music. In addition, there is an online game project recruiting team members. There are many collaboration opportunities. Welcome to join our Discord server and see if there are any projects suitable for you. See you next week.